Hey, Ivy here. Are you ready to make the most of your weekend? Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for a productive weekend. Imagine waking up on a Saturday morning with a clear idea of what your weekend will look like. AI can help you do just that. Start by listing out all the tasks you want to accomplish. It could be anything from household chores, like laundry and cleaning, to personal projects or hobbies you've been meaning to get to. Once you have your list, use an AI tool to prioritize these tasks based on urgency and importance. This way, you can tackle the most crucial items first and leave room for flexibility as you go. Next, consider scheduling breaks. It's important to rest and recharge, and AI can help you plan these moments wisely. Maybe you want to take a short walk, read a book, or simply relax with a cup of tea. AI can suggest the best times for these breaks based on your task list and energy levels. This ensures you don't burn out and can maintain a steady pace throughout the weekend. Don't forget to add some fun activities to your plan, whether it's a movie night, a visit to a local park, or trying out a new recipe. Make sure to include things that bring you joy. AI can even help you find new activities you might enjoy based on your interests. By balancing work and play, you'll end the weekend feeling accomplished and refreshed. Finally, review your plan and adjust as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and it's okay to make changes along the way. AI can help you adapt your schedule in real time, ensuring you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. With a little help from AI, your weekend can be both productive and enjoyable. Join me tomorrow for another exciting tip. We'll explore more ways to make the most of your time and enhance your daily life. Until then, happy planning.